Hello friends, there are many shades of roses found in the nature. How many colors did you see? Write in the comment below. Ladybird. 22 ladybirds. 22 ladybirds. 22 ladybirds. 22 ladybirds. 22 jellyfish. 22 jellyfish. 22 jellyfish. 22 roses. 22 roses. 22 roses. 22 roses. 22 orangutan. 22 orangutans. 22 orangutans. 22 orangutans. 2 tens, 2 ones, 22. 2 tens, 2 ones, 22. Let's write in the copy. 2 tens, 2 ones, 22. 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 Thank you.